morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, check, check, check. All right, perfect. All right, let's go. Let's pull up these charts. See what's going on. Good morning, James. All right, so I'm kind of just keeping an eye on this, to be honest with you. Obviously, like we've just seen if we go out to this 15 minute, we had a huge drop. 8:15, 15-minute candle, boom, shot up. Okay, we definitely wanted to see that, but we've obviously been dropping as well. We have this wick to the top side. I think we're hitting a high as well. Okay, so we just want to be careful. I want to see. What I would like to see is I'd like to see this thing drop below this 200 and us look for sells. That would definitely be the ideal. But again, we'll see in the next 10, 15 minutes if this thing drops. But as you can see, we are respecting this 425. So there's just not a lot of room right here. So we'll see if we break through this 425. I definitely don't want to take a buy stop here, because at the end of the day, if she just taps it and then falls again, I definitely don't want to get into that. Okay. So where I'd like to see is if she falls below 400, that's where we would look at getting in. If she falls below 400, that's where we would look at getting in. Okay. So we got 3 minutes left on this candle. She's pulling up right now. She's pulling up hard too. Ooh-wee. Shoot. I could just see a monster drop happening, guys, to be honest with you. So I'm not really doing anything right now, to be honest. Let's let her chill out. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see what happens in the next 10 minutes. I'm going to wait 10 minutes, guys. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to see if she just if she just falls out of the sky. We got a minute left on this candle. Minute left on this candle. 47 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if she falls below this 425. Let's see if she falls 25 points. Nope, she's climbing. Interesting. All right. She's got to pull back for me though. She's got to pull back to below the 25 or the 400. Below the 25 or the 400. She has to. She has to retest off of this. She has to retest off of this. She has to retest off of this. She has to. Before I get in. Because I just don't know what she's going to do. We got 8 minutes, 40 seconds left on this candle. Guys, I want to show you something. This was her high. This was the high January of 22. She has smoked it. Like, guys, like she's in territories that, like, she is in a, like, we are bullish. We are on some bullish. We are on, like, I need a pullback. I need a pullback. Before I get in this, guys, I need some type of correction, honestly. I can't just jump in. You can't just jump in anywhere. We need some type of correction. She hasn't been up here since January of, I mean, the last high was January of 22. She's blown by that. So I'm just being patient and waiting. So we're going to see if she drops at least down into this area here. And then we can take this 37,450 but I need a retest. I need a retest of about 60 points. And we got 4 minutes, 36 seconds left on this candle, guys. We got 4 minutes left on this 5 minute. I need her to kind of come down into this area here so that we can possibly take this 37,450. I can't just keep taking climbs. I can't, because again, I just don't know where she's going to retest. We got 2 minutes left on this 5 minute candle. We obviously don't want to take buy stops because here's the deal. She could hit this, boom, peak and fall. And then you're stuck in a huge drawdown. So again, we just want to be careful. We want her to pull down and retest. We want her to pull down and retest. All right, we got 1:47 seconds left on this candle. 1:42 left on this 15. Come on, pull down. Come pick us up. Come pick us up. Guys, I'm going to take a sell at 37,475. I'm taking a sell. You don't need to. If you'd like, you can. 37,475 sell stop for about 5 to 10 points. 38 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. Let's go. $24 seconds left on this candle. Yep, I'm in. I'm in right now. We're about to get a bag. Bag me, let's go. Bag me, let's go. We just took a sell stop, 37,475. Bag me, let's go. 1-0. 1-0. She's got to come down. She's got to come down, guys. She comes down to this 34.25 area. I will then take a buy at 37,450. Let's go. Big drop US30. Come on, baby. So once she comes down here, guys, once she comes down into this area here, I will take a buy stop at 37,450. Let's go. We got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. We're looking for a drop. I need her to come down and hit this support. I need her to hit this support down here. Two minutes, 36 seconds left on this candle. I need her to come down to this 37,425. 37,425, I need her to come down. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Guys, here's the deal. We could potentially see a sell-off. We could potentially see a sell-off. Just to correct this market a little bit, honestly. I think we're about to see a crazy market correction in a second. Let's go. Let's go. Get down here. We got 10 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 46 seconds left on this 5-minute. Before I take a buy at 37,450, she needs to come down to this 37,425. So guys, 37,450 is a great area, but honestly, like I feel that she needs to come down further to like 47,425. She comes down to 425 and doesn't break it. I feel that 450 is a great zone to get back in. Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this 4-minute. All right, guys. So we're just being patient. I need her to come down. I'm not I'm not opening anything right now. I'm not taking any buys to the top because here's the deal, like she could reverse. So again, at the end of the day, like so we're consolidating right here. So here's the deal. Okay, you can't even open up a buy stop at 37,500 because she hasn't even hit there. Okay, so let's box her off. Okay, we're going to play this game, guys. We're obviously consolidating in between this area, okay? We obviously broke this, retested it, broke it, boom, hit this area here, boom, came down. We're consolidating, okay? She breaks up and closes above, entry. She breaks down, closes below, entry, okay? Okay, we're going to play this breakout. We're going to play this breakout. Okay? We're going to play this breakout on a 1 minute. Okay, we got 2 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle, guys. See, again, guys, that's why we have to be careful because, again, if she has to break and close above. If she does not break and close above, guys, like we will get caught in a pull in a drawdown. We will get caught in a drawdown, and that's exactly what she's trying to do. She's trying to catch people in drawdown. She's trying to fake people out. I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for this pullback. I'm not playing around with this. Like, again, we just don't know where she's going to reverse. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's going to be a reversal. We just don't know where that reversal is going to be. This could be it right here with that big wick. Guys, I'm going to take another sell, 37,475. I am not in a trade. So I don't know what chart you're on, Ian. This is 8 cap. I don't know what broker you're using. It could definitely be different. Good morning, Reggie. So I have a sell stop, 37,475. 5 to 10 points, guys. 37,475, 5 to 10 points. In and out. $475 in and out. $475 in and out. I am not in a trade. I have a sell stop, 37,475. Sell stop, 37,475. We got 2.5 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Two minutes, 13 seconds left on this candle. I have a sell stop at 37,475. Sell stop, 37,475. Set your TP at 10 points. Come on. Okay, this is another setup right here, guys, on the 1 minute. She has to break and close above this mark. Break and close above, not below, not in the red, not wicking. She has to break and close above. Okay, and I would say if she breaks and closes like the 50 mark, great. But anything lower than that, she's trying to fake you out. Okay. Okay, we just opened up a new candle. We got 10 minutes left on this candle. Let's go. We need a big drop. Get a bag. Get a quick little bag at 475. 10 points. 465. We got 419 left on this candle. I could see us doing a liquidation pool and then boom, drop. So this is what I could see happening, guys. And again, this is just simply what I'm looking at. Boom. Boom. Liquidation pool. Boom. Down. We're about to find out. We're about to find out real quick. Okay, there it is. And now let's see if we get a drop. Let's see if we get a drop. Okay, I'm not taking this 1 minute trade. I'm not taking that 1 minute trade. We got 7 minutes left on this 15. 7 minutes left on this 15, guys. 11 seconds on this 1 minute. Let's see if she drops. Okay, so she did close above. You could have taken that. I did not. I'm waiting for this drop. That's just, there's nothing more to it. Like, I don't know where she's going. Like, I have no idea where she's going. I have no levels. Like, I have no idea. Like, she is in no man's land. Like, I need her to retest. So that's point blank what I'm waiting on. Like, I have no idea where she's going to go, guys, to be honest. Like, if you got in for a buy, I mean, you could take maybe a quick bag. But again, I just don't know where she's going to go. There's no level. Like, you play the levels and there's no next level. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's no next level. Like, oh, she's going to go to this level. I mean, the last level is January of 2022, guys. There's the liquidity pool. There's the liquidity pool. Today's game is patience, guys. I'm not getting in. She's got to retest. She's got to retest for me, and then you know, then we look at her to, you know, move up. But she's got to retest for me. I can't. I don't know if it's the highest that she's ever been, but man, like, when you go over here on the 12 month, like, there's nothing even near her. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's nothing even near. Like, this is the last high in the last 12 months. So again, like, we're kind of in no man's land. I need her to pull down. I need her to pull down, and then we can continue to kind of play levels. But, like, I just don't know where she's going to reverse. There's going to be a reversal. There has to be a reversal. There's going to be a reversal. Okay? I just don't know where that reversal is going to be. All right, we got 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes, 45 seconds left on this candle. 2 minutes, 45 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, I mean, this is the highest she's been, man. Like, so it looks like 36. Actually, yeah, this is the actual highest that it's ever been. So the record high was 36,799, and that was January of 2022. So I mean, we are hitting all-time highs, guys, which is pretty cool. But again, I need her to retest so that I can get in. Like, she's got to come back and pick me up, because like we're in no man's land. She can reverse at any time and fall. So 36,799. Way down there. $36,935. They're saying $36,799. It's off a little bit. Sometimes the best trade is no trade, guys. Like, honestly, because at the end of the day, like I said, she's going to reverse. We just don't know where. And to try to just keep taking buys, to kind of just jump in a rally and not really know, like, it's kind of dangerous, honestly, because we just don't know. There's no level above us. So at least if she retests, we can see levels above, and we can obviously, you know, play off of these levels. But saying, okay, yeah, let's just take a buy at up here, and then she taps it, and you know, she falls, then you're, you know, then you're stuck in a drawdown. So I don't know. You guys can do whatever you'd like to do. I'm gonna try to catch some sells on this drop. So I have a sell stop at 37,475. I have a sell stop. So again, like, she's pulled up about 30 points. So if she drops 35 points, boom, get us in. Continue to drop. She dropped all the way down here at the 9 o'clock candle. Okay, so about 30 minutes ago. So then again, she breaks this level. We continue to fall. Now, once she gets into this stuff here, then we can look at a buy and grab 5-10 points. Do you know what I mean? We can then grab that additional 50 here. But again, I don't know if I'm going to grab 50. I don't know if I'm going to grab. I don't know what we're able to grab here. So Until she comes down and retests, there's not really anything to grab because I don't know how high she's going to go before she reverses. We're obviously taking buys, but I need some kind of correction. Do you know what I mean? Like this was the last level she broke right here. So I need a retest off of that and then continue up. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. Okay. And then at that point, you can catch about 75 points right there. Okay. But I need her. That's the move I need, though. I can't just pick a spot and say, okay, let's just continue to go up, because again, we don't know. Okay. We could put a spot here. She could tap it, boom, fall down, and then we're in a drawdown. You know what I mean? So again, there's just no level above us. I don't know. Hopefully that makes sense. It's what I'm going with. It makes sense to me. So I need her to break below this 500. Break below this 500. So we have an engulfing happening here on the 5-minute. If we can get an engulfing on this 15-minute, that'd be great. Because as you can see, we have big candles, shorter candles, small candles. So again, we've obviously lost momentum. So again, it kind of tells us, obviously, crazy. Yes, crazy is right. So again, it kind of tells us that she's losing momentum to, you know, and we could see a reversal. We can see a reversal. We could see a sell-off. Okay. I mean, guys, if you look at these levels, we could see sell-offs all the way to 400. We could see a 100-point sell-off. But she's got to come down. Hold on 1 second, guys. I want to pull something up real quick. I want to see what this DeLorean looks like real quick. Oh, wow. This is sick. It's disgusting. Okay, so if you guys are familiar with the DeLorean, okay, playing off this yellow and this red, this is a great strategy. Obviously, look at how this is all set up. So if she comes down, okay, to this yellow, boom, you can get in. Take it, ride it. Once she comes and touches it again, get out. So again, what I would recommend that you guys do, if you guys are looking for an amazing strategy, okay, and you want to really learn something that is very powerful, the DeLorean strategy is huge. And obviously, it's just this indicator right here that we use, the DeLorean EMA. I don't play the DeLorean, okay? I utilize the 200 on the DeLorean, but that is it. So if we were to look at this 15 and we were to say, okay, if she comes down to this red point, we're going to get in, okay? Boom. All right. You can see, like, here's the deal. And then once she crosses, boom, you get out, okay? But you can see how you can literally play this DeLorean on like a 5 minute, okay? Where again, boom, she tapped here, got in, boom, she came up. Tapped here, boom, got in. She comes down to this red, boom, get in. So again, like you could really play the DeLorean this way off of this red and yellow, okay? As long as she's on top of or underneath this aqua, this gray, and this blue. Okay, the DeLorean is crazy strategy. Super, super amazing. I love it. I would definitely, we're not obviously going to get into that. Maybe I'll do a training on that, but we're definitely not going to get into that today. Touched on it a little bit. That's the thing, guys, is that this is the all-time high. There has to be a retest. Like we can't just keep going up. Do you know what I mean? There has to be a retest, and that's what we have to be patient for, because we don't know where she's going to go. We don't know where she's going to reset. We don't know any of that information. I mean, it's kind of a guessing game at this point until she resets and gives us some signs. This is craziness. All we can do is be patient. Let her come pick us up. Come pick me up. Come pick me up. She's got to drop like 50 points. Jesus. So guys, we're just being patient right now. Honestly, we've taken one trade. We are 1-0. We're 1-0. I need a retest. I cannot get in this market just saying, okay, great, let's continue up. Like, I don't. I need a retest. I'm waiting for a retest. I need her to come down and pick us up. I need her to make some levels. I need her to consolidate somewhere. We got 58 seconds left on this candle. Give me a big drop. Give me a big drop below 37,500. 37,500, big drop. $15 seconds left on this candle, guys. Shoot. Guys, I can literally see, look at this right here. This is like the last major zone, this 400. Look at this. Hit, fell. Hit, 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 fell. Broke through, retested, blew through it. All right, so here's the deal. We got 12 minutes left on this 15-minute candle, which is also the hour candle. I'd like to see this hour candle close below the 500. We close below the 500, we're going to continue to move down. I need us to close below the 500, so about 25-point move within the next 12 minutes. Okay, we have a sell stop at 37,475. Sell stop 37,475. $11.36 left on this hour candle. We're 1-0 at a sell stop that we took at 37,475. I'd like her to come down to yesterday's high. Okay. Yesterday's high, 425 right here. Retest this big zone right here. We got 10 minutes, 36 seconds left on this 15-minute candle, which is the half-hour candle, which is also the hour candle. Like I said, guys, sometimes the best trade is no trade. I just don't know where she's going to go. So I can't tell you, hey, you know what? Take this buy, because I don't know if she's going to give us 5 points. I don't know if she's going to give us 10 points, because there's no levels above. There's no ceiling. There's no ceiling for her to hit. But that doesn't mean that she's not going to hit something. Okay? So we're looking for the sellers to make a new ceiling right now. We're waiting for the sellers to make a new ceiling. Okay? We got 9 minutes, 30 seconds left on this candle. We need a big drop. We need a big drop. Here we go. Eight minutes, 37 seconds left on this candle. Correct. This is exactly why the US 30 rose, because the dollar just fell. Gold. If you trade gold is on the rise. Okay, everybody's waiting on rate cuts. That's what we're waiting on, rate cuts. The housing market plays such a huge role in the dollar. $6.48 left on this 15. NASDAQ is up as well. We got 6 minutes, 21 seconds left on this candle, guys. 6 minutes, 21 seconds left on this candle. $37,550, guys. I'm sorry, 37,500. 5 to 10 point sell stop. 5 to 10 point sell stop. Again, you have to be careful. Sell stop 37,500. 5 to 10 points. Very small trade. I would even lower your leverage or lower your lot size. We're 1-0 on this session, guys. So, Vezi, my live account is with COT4. Okay. My funded accounts are with 8cap. So the reason I like 8cap is 8cap is on TradingView. So you don't go directly through 8cap because they don't allow US traders, but you're able to trade on 8cap with the funded trader, okay? With the simulated funded account. So that's how I trade 8cap. So 8cap is really what I trade on right now, quite a bit. And obviously it's in TradingView, matches up, on my MT5. So again, man, no issues whatsoever. COT4, a little bit off. Again, that's a live account. I don't trade a whole lot on that right now. I'm obviously just working on challenges right now. So that's kind of what my priority is right now. Spending a lot more time trading, just because again, definitely have a goal by spring to have about 600,000 in traded funds, and that's really what I'm focused on right now. I will also be talking about FTMO as well. In the next couple of weeks, I will be trading on FTMO. So between the funded trader and FTMO, that's what I'll be working on. So yeah, 8cap, that's what I'm on. $37,500, I have a sell stop. If she breaks through here, we're going to give 5 to 10 points. Okay, then I have another sell stop at 37,475. Okay, just to continue to just grab a bag. Then if she breaks past that, 450 down to 425, the 400 range. Yep. So yeah, so you can only get 600,000. And FTMO, man, FTMO just they're a strong leader in obviously funded accounts, and so it's a little bit more expensive. But FTMO, man, like they're they're probably one of the leaders when it comes to funded accounts. Um, so yeah, I definitely am very interested in FTMO. FTMO is a platform that I looked at even before my Forex funds. Again, it's more expensive. It's the more expensive of the of obviously the three. We went with my Forex funds. We know what happened with them, and then obviously the traded funder, the traded fund, the funded trader has actually been really good. So I really enjoy that, um, and that's kind of what we're running with. Again, just to kind of just diversify. Like I'm trading a lot more as a result of just really putting a lot more time into the charts. To be honest with you, I may also start kind of diversifying when it comes to really the what I'm trading right now. It's just US 30 that we look at, but obviously, like when US 30 is not making any moves like this, to look at like Nasdaq, to look at Nas 100, to look at S&P, to look at gold. They kind of all move similar. So if you can get a bag on US 30, you can usually get a bag on Nas as well. So you know again, just kind of diversifying, just obviously growing, you know what I mean, just looking at at other opportunities on what we can do. Obviously, US 30, I know how she moves. I know how to trade. I know, obviously, bank zones, order blocks, things like that. So, again, I'm very comfortable with US 30. Doesn't mean that I can't get comfortable with the other ones as well. It's just a matter of just diversifying. Yeah. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna jump off. There's not really any moves happening right now. Honestly, I'm gonna wait for her to kind of correct today, kind of see what kind of correction we get this afternoon. But again, like you know, there's just no ceiling. There's no ceiling right now. So again, like we could take some buys, but at the end of the day, there's gonna be a reversal, and I just don't know where that reversal is, and I don't want to get caught in it. And that's kind of my biggest concern right now is just where does she reverse? Do you know what I mean? And so again, obviously, waiting for a retest, waiting for a correction, then we can obviously catch a bag on that correction, because obviously we're looking for buys. But at the end of the day, I need her to pull back. I need her to retest. And she's just not retesting right now. She's just climbing. And so there's not really anything that we can do. We obviously don't want to jump in the middle of a rally. The move's already happened. The move happened down here. The move happened down here. Okay. This would have been the move to get into to take all of that. But now you're just kind of jumping in without really knowing, kind of where she's going to go, what she's going to do. So, yeah. All right, guys. Well, hey, thank you guys so much. I will definitely be on tomorrow morning, Wednesday. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so I will definitely be on. Hopefully, we have a correction, and hopefully, we can at least catch about 50 points. That's the whole goal of every day is if we can catch 50 points, man, that's a great day. 50 to 100 points. That's what we want. But again, there's just not anything right now. Just not a whole lot of volume as well. Just not a big moves. The move happened. The move happened here at 8:45. That would have been the move. As she broke this level here, she's obviously climbed almost 100 points. That would have been the move. Again, I was hoping to see a retest. We didn't see a retest. And this is where we're at. We're waiting for that retest. We're waiting for that retest of this area, of this 425, 400 area. And then we can obviously, recoup that 100 points. So again, guys, thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. I will see you guys at the top because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to obviously lift them up. Okay. Again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. God bless. Have an amazing day. I will definitely keep you updated for sure. Thanks, Maribel. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.